Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, buckle up because you just clicked on what might be my most painful and hilarious experience ever. Have you ever seen those beauty vloggers on YouTube make waxing look so calm and professional? Yeah, they dip, pull, smile, and somehow don't scream. So I thought maybe I can do that too. Spoiler alert, I could not. In today's video, I'm sharing how I tried to wax myself at home alone, and it turned into a full-blown survival story. It started as a cute spa day and ended with me yelling at my mirror, Googling how to remove wax from skin, and questioning all my life choices. So before you ever think, I can totally do this myself, watch this first. Trust me, it might save your skin. Literally. Let's get into it. So, I decided to wax myself at home. I don't know who gave me that confidence. Maybe it was the beauty vloggers on YouTube, making it look so peaceful, like just a swipe and poof, smooth skin. Yeah, I wanted that spa glow without the salon bill. I thought, how hard can it be? I set the mood, lit a candle, put on soft music, and told myself, girl, you got this. I laid out the wax kit, the strips, the baby powder, and even queued up a tutorial just in case. I was feeling powerful, like one of those women who wake up at 5 a.m. to meditate and run marathons. Spoiler, that energy did not last long. I heat the wax, and the instructions say warm, not hot, but apparently my definition of warm was straight up lava. I dip the stick. It looks fine, so I test a tiny bit on my hand. Just a little tingle, nothing too crazy. I convince myself it's okay and go for it. The moment it touches my skin, I realized this was not okay. I jump, gasp, and whisper things only dogs could hear. It felt like I had poured fresh magma on myself. But I'd already committed, so I spread it like a brave soldier heading into battle. Now comes the dramatic part. I grab a strip, press it down, and hype myself up. You are strong. You are fearless. You are rips. A mistake. The wax didn't even come off properly. It just stuck there like it was laughing at me. I pull again, nothing. I pull harder, and that's when it hits. The kind of pain that makes your soul blink twice before returning to your body. I swear my ancestors felt that one. My legs shot up, my eyes watered, and I started rethinking my entire existence. At that point, half the area was smooth, the other half looked like a patchy lawn after a storm. But could I stop? No, I was committed to this mission. I reheat the wax, now more carefully, but somehow things get worse. I managed to spill a bit, and suddenly there's wax on my thigh, my arm, the floor, and for some mysterious reason, my eyebrow. Don't even ask how that happened. I'm standing there like a sticky robot, arms out, trying not to glue myself to the wall. Panic mode kicks in. I grab my phone with waxy fingers and Google how to remove wax from skin fast. Google says use oil, but the only oil I have is cooking oil. So now I'm in the bathroom rubbing vegetable oil on myself like a Thanksgiving turkey at midnight. I look ridiculous, shiny, sticky, and defeated. But I'm not done. There's one last patch left, the final boss. I take a deep breath, count down, and pull. The scream that came out of me could have cracked glass. My neighbor even knocked on the wall like, "You okay over there?" And I just shout back, "I'm fine. Self-care hurts." Finally, it's over. I look at myself in the mirror, red, shiny, but smooth. I look like a freshly polished donut that's seen things. I grab some aloe vera and just sit there in silence, staring at the ceiling, questioning why I didn't just book a salon appointment like a normal person. But hey, I learned a few things that day. 1, hot wax deserves respect. 2, those beauty vloggers, they're superheroes. And 3, there's a reason salons charge what they do. Peace of mind is priceless. So yeah, that's how I tried to wax myself at home and almost summon the spirit of pain. If you ever think about doing it yourself, maybe don't, or at least film it so the rest of us can laugh and learn. Anyway, I'm off to sit on a bag of ice and promise myself never to be that brave again. Like, comment, and subscribe for more I thought it was a good idea moments. And remember, self-care should not feel like a fight for survival.